Hello guys, back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the new Infinix Hot 40 Pro. In Hot 40 series, we have Hot 40i, Hot 40 and the Hot 40 Pro. Which is this one I'm reviewing today? A Magic Ring, a Hello G99 processor with 120Hz refresh rate, not even that, and also support 108 megapixel rear camera and lastly 33 watts fast charging. These are some of the key features we are going to see in Infinix Hot 40 Pro. First of all, let's bring the unboxing experience. So please, before we move forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also turn on that notification bell. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the phone, followed by a protective case. Not even that, we get the 33-watt fast charger, which you can use to charge up your device from 0 to 100%, followed by the USB Type-C cord, followed by a pair of earpiece, and lastly the SIM rejector too. This is all the things we have in the box. Another aspect where this phone impressed me is that this phone also comes with 8 GB of RAM. Then you can expand to another 8 GB of RAM, making it 16 GB of RAM. Not even that, it also comes with 256 GB internal storage. Moving to the build and design of this smartphone, the rear and the back is made with plastic material. It also supports a magic ring with side-mounted fingerprint. It responds so fast whenever you want to unlock the phone. At the bottom, you will see the headphone jack, network cable, USB Type-C port, and the minor speaker. At the left corner is where you see the SIM house, which accommodates 2 nano SIM card with a space of SD card slot. The Hot 40 Pro comes with 3 colors, which is the Horizon Gold, Starlight Black, and Palm Blue. It's also powered by MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Wow, I love the processor that is powered inside this phone compared with the previous Tecno Spark 20, which powered with MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Comparing it side by side, I hope you can see the difference. Please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting when making this video, why can't you subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a video. Please like this video so that YouTube can share this video to more audience as we are getting to reach to 1K subscribers before the ending of this year. Please subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Another thing that impressed me is the stereo speakers. Let's see the sound. That sounds very good. I love the sound that came out. Let's talk about other things. As for the size of the display, this phone comes with 6.78 inches display. We get a resolution of 1080 with a support of 120Hz refresh rate. It can pick a brightness of 500 nits. You can switch in between 60 or 90Hz if you wish to do so. Another thing that impressed me with this device is because of what? I love the design. Take a look at it. It looks like an iPhone. Another aspect is that this phone comes with punch hole display. Not even that, it also comes with screen to body ratio of IP LCD display. As for gaming experience, Call of Duty plays at medium high frame rate. So take a look at it. This is the sound that came out when using this device for playing games. This phone comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, which allow you to take beautiful pictures. So take a look at it. A 108 megapixel main camera, a 2 micro camera, 32 megapixel selfie camera. So this is some of the pictures taken with the rear camera of the Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So take a look at it. Tell me the color that the camera produce on the comment section below. For me, the pictures are okay. It also supports 33-watt fast charger, which allow you to charge up this device from 0 to 100%. Infinix claim that the charger can charge up this device from 0 to 100% in 30 minutes. But on my test, it charged up this device from 0 to 100% in not less than 1 hour 25 minutes. Wow, that impressed me. And for the performance, we got the Helio G99 processor powered by Android 13 SOS version 13.5. Not even that, you will also get 8 GB of RAM, then expand to another 8, making it 16 GB of RAM with 256 GB internal storage. Right in the box, this device comes with all your Google application, YouTube, Google, Gmail, or install right in your device once you get it out of the box. So coming to my conclusion, the MediaTek Helio G99 can be able for you to run all your apps smoothly. You can uninstall some of the app whenever you want to do that, opening all your apps without no problem. So no delay at all with this phone. Moving to the battery aspect, this phone comes with 5000 mAh battery. Support of 33-watt fast charger, which allow you to charge up this device so fast. With Mali G57 CPU. Well, that is by the way for today. Coming to my conclusion, I might say that the Infinix Hot 40 worth its price, because if you are going for this phone, you're gonna get a fastest processor, a 5000 mAh battery capacity. Hot 40 Pro impressed me so much. You may ask, is the MediaTek Helio G99 is a good processor for me to go for? Yes, it's a good processor. Assuming you want to compare the processor that comes with this phone, MediaTek Helio G99, you can also compare it with the Snapdragon 720 or Snapdragon 750. The MediaTek Helio G99 is a very nice chipset which can allow you to install some of your videos and other things without no lagging at all. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about the Infinix Hot 40i, check up the video on my channel. Then if you want to know more about the Tecno Spark 20, check up the video on my channel. See you guys there. If you find this video interesting and valuable, kindly like this video so that YouTube can share this video to more audience, and also subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.